A car muffler sound as we hold near the muffler. Reading of 88 and 33.3. Listening to the engine, finding the noise, and seeing if it's loud or low. The SL750A from Gold Deep is a dB monitor to test out for the home, automobiles, outdoors, in the environment, audible decibel sounds. You're going to monitor what the sounds are like. Simply open up the package, show you what you get inside, everything that you need to get started. It's covered in a foam cover, plastic, the monitor, AAA batteries, and the foam mic cover. They're easy to set up by placing on the cover and inserting the battery by opening up the battery door and placing in the two AAAs correctly. Matching up the polarity and closing up. For information about your product, do check online and also in the box for the instruction manual of more information and how to go over and use your machine. Turning on the machine is the orange buttons. We have 5 buttons that is on, minimum, maximum, fast and slow, the dB, the SONE, the AC, and hold. Hitting the on button is a 1 second plus press. The monochrome screen, black with a grayish background. The unit has a backlight. By hitting the dB and the SONE for conversion, you could press and convert over, back and forth. At default, we're on fast. For conversion to slow, simply press the slow. Big letters of slow, converting to a slow conversion and back to fast. Switching to AC mode, A or C, is a long press by holding down for a number of seconds. It will switch on over and lock. Short pressing will change on the top for a hold. If the machine is not used for a 15-minute period, the machine will shut down and go into the off stage. In the off stage, a COU can be displayed for shutting down cancellation by holding the on and off, and the AC for a number of seconds. COU, and we are canceled in shut down. To cancel the shutdown is simply shut the machine off and hold the both buttons and we are canceled. Turn on the device, press any key for the backlight. Will stay on for 3 minutes and turn off while the unit stays on. When not using the product, please shut down. For extended period of times, please remove the batteries. Replace if the batteries ever get low. Now is the time to go test. We have a rubber type grip on each side, ergonomic grip with a nice large window, listening to the audible noises and seeing the dB levels. We'll show you a fan, a car engine, and so forth. Using the machine is holding, not close, but not far, and simply with the hand over the AC hold button, turn on the machine that you want to test, press, and we have a reading of 82.7, 83.8, low and high. We are going to show you slow and what it's about. Press and hold. And we have a reading of 55.7, 80.7. A car muffler sound as we hold near the muffler. Reading of 88 and 33.3. Listening to the engine, finding the noise, and seeing if it's loud or low, and pressing on the hold button for a reading of 77.0. Changing from fast to slow to get a better reading. Changing the dB level. We have an actual decibel of 12.1, 74.9. Sitting inside the car, listening to noise outside, as we look for the dB levels, we read 80 and 24 dB. As we checked out what the car sound makes from the tail to the engine to inside, let's go read a ceiling fan. We have an old ceiling fan that we're gonna read the fan high speed. The reading of the fan, 50 through 70 plus dB. The speaker's dB level of audio, 57.0, 7.99. dB level of a fan blowing on high. These are just some of the things in the dB levels that we are monitoring of the Gold Deep dB level. It comes with two AAA batteries, the controls in orange and a dark gray with a mic muff over the microphone area. Please be careful when inserting and removing, as the mic muff can slip off. It is a grip of rubber on the sides with rubber handles with a light window that will shut off in standby of 3 minutes. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in a dB monitoring system of decibels, how loud your room may be. For example, this is how loud I talk to the microphone all the time, and it is at that dB level. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.